Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how to make a wooden bead garland. I was surprised to make this one for just under $9. And all of my wooden beads were from Michael's and the twine was from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was thread my beads. I did find that my twine frayed and I had to cut the ends several times, so I do recommend you to apply some tape around the ends to prevent that. When I was threading the beads, I didn't go in any particular order or pattern because that was the look I was going for. You can feel free to do anything you want for your garland. And when I was done, I made a loop that was about 1.5 inches long and tied a knot. Just make sure the garland isn't super tight. You do want to loosen it up a little bit. And I did the same on the other end. Now to make the tassels, I used a regular size greeting card and I tied my twine about 12 times. Then I'm cutting off another piece of twine to secure my tassel. And this one was about 5 inches long. I secured at the very top of my tassel. And now I'm going to be cutting the bottom. Next I'm cutting 3 pieces of twine. They were about 3 to 4 inches long. I'm going to start wrapping them around my tassel like this. Then I'm going to go a second time and wrapping them around and securing them with a knot. I did go in with a little bit of glue gun later, just to make sure that these didn't unwrap. I lost the footage, so I don't have that to show you, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Then I repeated this process 2 more times. When you're done with your tassels, you want to secure the ends together with your garland of beads like this. And basically, this is how you do your wooden bead garland. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're enjoying this video, I hope you subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.